In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your Facebook story from a specific person on Facebook, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. As usual in this channel, we don't waste time, we just dive right into the content you are looking for. Okay, once you are logged into your Facebook account and you're in the right page, now click on your profile picture to the right, that one there. Then scroll down, click on settings and privacy. Then under settings and privacy, click on privacy center. Okay, then you want to scroll down, then tap on Facebook. After doing that, tap on the name of the account, allow it to load, then scroll down. Okay, I've missed it at the top here. It's privacy checkup. Make sure everything here is in check, then just click on the arrow back button. Then the next thing you want to do is very simple, very simple. Click on stories. Then now tap on who can see your stories. Under friends here you will see friends. That just tap on that arrow. Then you are going to choose friends except the person you want to eliminate from seeing your Facebook stories. Let's say the first person here. Then click done. By doing this, you'll be able to hide all your future Facebook stories from that person. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.